Hello guys, today I want to teach you an important Photoshop design. Let's design 3D images. So let's start my class. First, you have to select which one you put the 3D image. And first you choose your image. That I choose this image, and also I put it another image which I make by 3D. Okay. Now we have to reduce the opacity and set the photo properly in this template. Which template are selected? That's it. That's it. Okay. Now just adjust it. Okay. Now I have to increase the opacity. Okay. Now this layer is converted by rasterized layer. Okay. Now select this subject. Select your subject, the object selection tool, and just select. Okay, done. Select my object. Okay, now this is the mark. Okay, I need marks. Now I have to do what should I do? Now this is height. Then select this background layer and select the quick selection tool, and this area is selected which you are showing the 3D image. Now hide this layer, and this is, and white color is up and black is down. Now area is fill up main area. You have to fill up main area. Okay. Now what is doing? I have to reduce also the down part, down extra part. So black is up. Now just put it here. So sorry, it's okay. The select is unselect. This here, this is the okay, and put it down. Now is the correctly we have to take the brush tool and delete the unwasted part. or more smooth. It is really easy. You can practice. You can practice more and more. Then you will be thank you for the video. Please subscribe.